Restaurant COVID-19 disinfection. Commercial disinfection service for restaurants can help you reduce the risk of surface-to-surface viral transmission. Why use our antiviral disinfection services? Kills germs and minimizing the risk of viral and other germs. Applicable for residential and commercial properties. We offer a precautionary disinfection service. The cleaners are all instructed and trained on the best practices on keeping themselves and our customers free from any contamination and cross-infection. Disinfection through fogging. Our health recommended and approved sanitizer. In essence, we fog every part of the property, especially high parts and the hard-to-reach areas. In case of any query, kindly contact our manager. We are available 7 days a week, and we are open for booking, from 7 a.m. daily. Thanks you so much for watching. If you would like to know more about it, you can visit our website www.cleanhousemelbourne.com.au. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time.